Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpo terik mentau bna jembang araja ka kendai, ke second Meghalaya Battalion NCC, kelapun ko borom mi Dkhot Jong ni keseng, ki bala Pyndep ya ke Jingpyntbit kum ki Dkhot bapura Jong ni keseng. Haka jelang ke bala pelong ha Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Haka ni ke jelang lai don katru menteri rangba ke jela ukan rat ke sangma ubalalong ukongsan haka ni ke jelang. Haka ni ke ransan haka ni ke sengi nalor ke jingruai bagi jingsyatan rai balai shimanta de Dkhot Jong ke NCC. La sam kusnam ru syakikato kat ni ki kenhon bat kirif shemet ki bala job ha ki jeko ba per ki bala da perlong ha shwa Jong ni ke sengi bat ka ni ke jelang kolong ru kum shibanta ka Jingpyntbit no ya ka ayom a jing hikai ki Dkhot Jong ke perton second Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
The work and the contribution that NCC has made and the difference it has made in the lives of our young generation, not just in our state, but throughout the country. And therefore, I would think it's the duty of all political leaders and officials in the government to always recognize the contribution being made by not just NCC, but different organizations that work towards shaping the lives and character of our young generation, which is all of you who are sitting here today. When I heard about this camp that was being organized, I told Brigadier Bali that I am of the opinion that this should be done more often. And I feel that our young generation should be exposed to many more of such activities as often as possible. I always keep telling our younger generation whenever I meet them that apart from many things that you will learn in your life, the many different exposures you will get for different qualities, skills, character building. I can tell you from whatever little experience that I have, that to really bring out the best in each and every one of you, I would say discipline is one of the most important things in life. And the more you go across and the more you move ahead in your life, in whatever things you do, be it in your personal life, be it in your friendship, be it in your school, college, be it at work, discipline is something that will change your life, or indiscipline is something that will destroy your life. You know, I keep telling people that I'm hardly ever late to any function. I'm sure many of you have covered different functions that I've gone to. And you can ask people, there'll hardly be one or two programs which I was late because of some really unforeseen circumstances. But I'm always on time. And the reason I'm on time is because timing is about discipline. Being on time is the beginning of being a disciplined person. And therefore, I don't just simply give a lecture, I walk the talk. I believe that discipline is important because that is what defines on how you will work and how seriously you will take things. And therefore, timing and being on time is a very important aspect. And I, for one, I start with that. I just want to give you a simple message today. That if you want to be disciplined in life, start with making sure that you're always on time for everything. Rest of the world may not be on time, and different organizations follow their own standard timing procedures. But if you want to be successful in life, discipline is important. And if you want to be disciplined in life, then it starts with being always on time.
Jingpyntbit Second, Cadet Drill. Second, Cadet Turn. Weapon training competition. Second, Cadet Weapon training competition, girls. First, second,